How to recover Hotmail password. So if you want to recover your Hotmail password, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you can simply go for the search bar and search for hotmail.com or outlook.com. And now you can simply go for sign in, and then first you can enter your email address or your phone number on this first blank. And after that, click on next. And here you have to enter your password, right? But if you want to reset or if you want to recover your password, then what you can do is you can simply click on forgot password, which is here. Simply click on forgot password. So now you will receive the security code. So to receive the security code, you have to choose your email address, and after choosing that, you can simply go for get code. And now you will receive a code on your email address. So simply enter that code here. Here you have this code, right? Enter that here and then click on next. And after that, from here you can reset your password. So you need to enter your new password, and on the next blank you have to re-enter your new password, and it must be at least 8 characters. So enter a strong password and then you can click on next. So that's it, your password has been changed. And now you can simply click on sign in, and then again enter your email address and your password. Enter the password which you have just created, and then click on sign in. And if you want to stay signed in, then click on yes. And that's it. That's how you reset or recover your password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.